Can I get a brace for kyphosis? Yes. Here's an example. I like the skull and crossbones and the hearts. Very nice. But this brace is designed specifically for kyphosis. And what it is it has wings. There's one on this side. There should also be one on this side. I didn't put that one on so people could see the difference. But this goes on the collarbones and lifts the person into straightness. Now we use this especially with younger people because the kyphosis brace is effective as a tool in helping them with in conjunction with the kyphosis-specific exercises and the kyphosis-specific therapies. So in the office here, we have all kinds of therapies that are designed to treat both scoliosis and kyphosis. We have braces, for example, that are for kyphosis, for scoliosis, and hybrid braces that are for kyphoscoliosis. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.